Hey, it's November 6th. You're here with Chico on Call Option Trading. I want to first talk about Robinhood. They released earnings last night. They did really well, and they're growing like mad. And I think it's strange that they're taking a hit so hard. I know the stock had a really good run up, but yeah, it's surprising to me that it's down so much. Well, the Nasdaq's down today because of AI uh, valuation that people deem a little bit on the frothy high side. So maybe that has some weight to it. Qualcomm reported earnings last night. They had a great quarter. They also beat their numbers, and they also have a very good upbeat forecast. So for them, they on the call, people were obviously curious about their AI server chips, but they couldn't really give up much more information about that from yeah from what I listened to into. And I think what's cool is if their AI chips are really good, very good, well competitive, and their forte for the chips are for low power consumption relative to the other chip makers out there, then they might got a future in AI chips. Aside from that, yeah, the other thing was they addressed like the noise about their number one customer Samsung might be using more of their own chips, modem chips, and application processor chips. And so, yeah, the CEO said that premium handsets are still using Qualcomm, and premium handsets are growing. So that's good for Qualcomm. But anyways, yeah, the stock is down. So today we also have the Tesla shareholder vote for the $1 trillion pay plan, and that's going to take place today. And I guess we'll get the results, I think, after the bell or sometimes later today. I'm not sure. But here's something I want to point out to you. You can use Polymarket to take a look at what people are predicting, and maybe some people have inside information. And so here you can see that the Polymarket is saying there's a 93% chance that Elon will get his pay deal. So with the stock down, I don't want to make a play for Tesla sell a call option, because I think it's down to, yeah, we'll take a look at the price in a second. What I do want to make a play for is Take-Two Interactive Software. They're going to report earnings after the bell today. They're a publisher for video games. And yeah. Okay, so looking at our portfolio, yesterday I actually didn't buy the contract to close for AMD and RIVN, and now that everything is down, I will close it out. So for these two, pre-closing, we'll probably close AMD for 3 cents a contract approximately, and it looks like RIVN is around 62 or so. Okay, so yeah, we'll create a closing for 62. Minimize the loss on RIVN. RIVN popped on us. And then let's look at Take-Two. Take-Two option chain for the end of the week. So they announced earnings today again, and I think we can sell one around 275 for $3. So we'll sell one contract for that after the video closes, and well, at least $3, so between 3 and 4. So I don't really know where it's at. Probably around mid price, 350-ish. And then yeah, Tesla is down here, and you can see it's at 438 right now. So yeah, if it were higher, then maybe I'd take a chance about selling a call option going into the announcement about the pay package. But you can see implied volatility is relatively high, 0.71. But now that it's taking a dip, I'd rather make a play for Take-Two. All right, yeah, so that's it for today. We'll wait to see what else Take-Two has to say after the bell, okay? I'll see you guys next time.